This is Iroy. Iroy is a born Jamaican.
Wagwan!
Iroy and the other Jamaican iguanas live in the Hellshire Hills Forest in St. Catherine, Jamaica. Jamaican iguanas live in Jamaica and nowhere else in the world.
Big up me crew!
Iroy and his friends eat fruit, flowers and leaves and are not harmful to people.
Me yam the seed. I poop it out. Look on that. New trees them out.
The Jamaican iguana was thought to be extinct.
Dead and gone.
But in 1990, a small group was found living in the Hellshire Hills. Thanks to many scientists from Jamaica and around the world, their numbers have grown. The Jamaican iguana is one of the biggest conservation success stories in the world. But their survival is still threatened by mongoose, wild pigs, stray cats and dogs that attack them, their babies, and their nests. People also destroy their forests by cutting down trees for charcoal.
People, no trouble me. Please, just help me protect me and me yard.
For more information on how to help the Jamaican iguana, log on to www.jamentrust.org.